Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can fix when the USB is not recognized in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will be opening the device manager. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on the device manager options. Now once you're in the device manager window, all you need to do, let me just maximize this one. All you need to do is just to go to this universal serial bus controller. So once you have found this option, please make a click on that or double click on that, and then you will need to click or update the main USB driver that you have there in your device. So for example, just like this one, I have AMD USB. So please make a right click on that, click on this update driver, and then click on the first option. You will be asked here, how do you want to search for drivers? So please first click on the search option, search automatically for drivers. Now once you click on that and it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then we can now go back. By the way, you can also proceed with the Windows update. You can also do that if you're connected with the internet connection, and it may take you 5 to 10 minutes to be done updating the driver online. So once you're done with that one, you can also proceed with the second option, which is browse my computer for drivers. So once you click on this one, we will need to click on this let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now once you click on that one, you will be shown here all the compatible hardware drivers that you have there, that you have in your device. And all you need to do is, if you have 2 to 3 driver versions here, all you need to do is just to select the latest one. So to select the latest one, just or after selecting the latest one, just please click on next, and then it will start installing the drivers, and just wait for it to notify you that the Windows have already updated the drivers, just like this one. And then just close this window. Now it will ask you to restart your computer, so just click on yes, and then it will automatically make a restart with your device. After the restart, try again inserting or connecting your USB and see now if the problem is already fixed. If it's still not fixed, then we can also proceed with this window again. So go again to this window, and then here uh we need to update the USB root hub and then the USB composite device. So all you need to do is just to do the same process. Make a right click, click on update driver, and then select first the second option and then proceed with the second one. And then once you're done with each of the updating process, just make a quick restart with the device. See if the problem is already fixed by connecting again your USB driver, and see if you're not encountering again the not recognized problem. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.